Hey Nail Techs, part 3 of my Birmingham premiere show experience. Had a blast, like I said in my other 2 videos. You can go back and look at those. They're short videos and you can hear what was going on, see what was happening. I'm telling you what, if you nail techs are not going, you licensed beauty pros, if you're not getting off your butt and going to shows that are in easy driving distance, you're missing the boat, because I found brand new product. There was only 2 booths. One booth I walked up to and they were deep in conversation. There was 4 people, I think 3 of them worked there. One was getting her foot, demo done. And I was a foot away from them and I was watching over their shoulder and I'm like, excuse me, I'm gonna take a photo. I take a photo. Not one of those people in that booth acknowledged I was even alive. They just kept talking about their random stuff of what they were talking about. And I was like, well, I didn't introduce myself. I didn't say another word. I just turned and left and I didn't buy anything. And educators, keep that in mind. When you are working booths, you are representing the company. It is not your personal time to carry on conversations amongst yourselves and ignore potential shoppers. I could have bought hundreds of dollars worth of product. I came home with hundreds of dollars in my pocket because there was only 2 booths there. So anyway, I gave all my money that I could buy at the other booth. So shout out to CJ Murray, who came up from Florida and had her booth. Got me some good Elsie and Urea pedicure products, got the new Sachet pedicure product. Holy crap. If you guys haven't seen it, go on to CJ Center of Beauty, Google it, get on that website. You've got to be a licensed beauty pro to buy it. It is phenomenal. Used it for the first time today on 2 people. I only did it on 1 foot. We're testing it out. I let them feel their foot after I was done getting the dead skin off with the sachet. They were like, oh my God, it is so smooth. I didn't even put lotion. I didn't do anything else. Just let them feel their foot. I took CJ's class and it was awesome. So if you would like to get more hands-on nail training, go to the Nail Tech event of the Smokies, nailtechevent.com. Get on the workshops page. We're uploading data as it comes in from the nail companies. There's 30 optional hands-on classes from nails, art, pedicures, you name it, it's there. The Nail Tech Event of the Smokies is a 1-day nails-only show held on Sunday. Next year it's going to be July 9th. We've got 69 nail booths compared to the 2 that was just at the big Birmingham show. So if you're in driving distance to Gatlinburg, Tennessee, start now. Get on nailtechevent.com. We've got discounted hotel rooms, so you book your hotel room now, because if you don't know nothing about Gatlinburg, July is peak season. They get 1 million visitors every month, over 1 million every month. And this town only holds 3,000 people. It's freaking like Sturgis when, bike rally comes. It's a phenomenal place. You can go there with your family, have a tax write-off family vacation. Go on to the travel and hotels page. Right now, each hotel has their own promo code. Get the promo code, call them up, make your reservations, because I promise you, you will kick yourself if you don't, because those hotel rooms sell out and you're going to have to pay more, and you don't want to do that. So check out nailtechevent.com. Peace out, nail techs.